Happy New Year 2023. This is Jan Parrish with Fabulous Colorado Homes. And what a year it's been. So crazy. So many ups and downs, both in real estate and in life in general. Wouldn't you agree? I am so grateful for all of my loyal clients, my fabulous real estate colleagues, my faithful social media followers, and my core group of family and friends who have been through 2022 with me through all the ups and downs of the year. I'm told it takes a lot of heat to make a diamond, and I do so want to shine bright like a diamond. So I'm grateful for the struggles of this year, and I'm so honored and blessed to have you here alongside me, taking this journey of life with me. My word for 2022 was abundance, and abundance came, just not all of it was fabulous, but I choose to focus on the fabulous. And the first unexpected, fabulous, abundant thing happened when my son and daughter-in-law decided to move closer to us in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And I was able to help them find an amazing home, a mere 2 hours away instead of the 10 hours away that they were in Livingston. And then something even more fabulous happened. They gave birth to their first daughter, our fourth granddaughter, and we were so filled with joy. 22 was filled with abundant family time, which was fabulous. And in May, I got to go see my little brother and his family and share life with them for an extended weekend right there in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. One of the things that has brought me a lot of joy this year is the time I've spent creating art. Painting grounds and relaxes me. And I'm now pleased to announce that my studio is live, and you can look for the link in the description below. This is my water inspiration collection. And then, one of the most amazing things that happened this year, after waiting 4 years, 9 months, and 14 days, my husband Greg got a kidney transplant. At the beginning of the year, I was convinced that this was his year. As the year progressed, we began to lose hope. After all, it had been so long. But then, in September, we got a call that we might have a viable kidney. Well, it turns out it wasn't viable, but it renewed our hope. And I knew soon he would get his kidney. On October 15th, Greg received his new kidney. Now, we are still processing. He's still in recovery. After all this time, Greg will ring in the new year with a working kidney, and we are so blessed. And we are just processing the enormity of the situation, and we are so grateful for those who believed when we began to lose hope, who continue to pray and stand with us through all this time. So thank you so much. We're grateful for you. You held on to hope when we couldn't. Thank you for standing with us through the struggle, for holding on to hope when we lost all hope, and for believing for us when we couldn't believe any longer. My wish for you this year is that your hope will be renewed, that you will take the time to reflect on what it is you want for this year, and you will set those goals. That you will write them down, write them on your mirror, put them on a sticky note, tape it to the dashboard of your car, tell a trusted friend, and don't be afraid to reach for the stars. If your dream for this year is a new house, I would love to help you achieve that. But if you have a dream of something else, I would love to help you, believe with you, and hope with you, and encourage you along the way so that you don't lose hope. Many times our dreams are so big we're afraid to hope. That is why my word for this year is renewed hope. Let's keep hope alive in 2023. Don't stop believing. I can't wait to see what God is going to do for you in 2023. Until next time, Happy New Year. This is Jan Parrish. May God richly bless you in the coming year.